Good day everyone. In this video I will show you two tips for this watch Casio DW290, and the first one is the LCD check. To do that you can press the three buttons at the same time. This one, the adjust button, and then mode and start stop. So to do that you can hold the watch this way and then make sure you use your nail here because it's a bit recessed. Okay, and now press together at the same time. And we can see this LCD check screen. And then to switch or to move to the next screen, we can press this one, start stop button. Okay, again and again and done. Okay, that's the first tips. And then the second one is to activate the flash alert. And to do that, press and hold this button on the top right. Okay, and now as you can see here, the flash alert sign or icon is active. And this will make the backlight flash when there is a countdown timer finished or alarm. Okay, that's all for these two tips. Hopefully useful, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.